Today we will be recording rare airplanes that I found. So first, this KC-135, the rest 32. This KC-135, and this one doesn't have a call sign. And this other KC-135. There was another KC-135. I don't know where it went, but there was 4. Yeah, you can't find it. And this is New Central Air Force. I don't know if they're refueling each other or directly. 1, 2, 3. What? Hold on a second. Yeah, so those are the 4 we saw in Tokyo. Oh yeah, and there's this one in Milwaukee that's been flying. It took off from this airport, Milwaukee International Airport. Went here, and it's been circling Oxtal. Oh, I get this now. This is probably, I'm not sure, but because it is circling Oxtosh, this is probably EEA Adventure. EEA Adventure. Yeah, it's probably EEA Adventure. Adventure. So yeah, it's probably part of the EEA Adventure. And then there's this plane that's being tracked a lot. I don't know why. If you guys know this plane, please tell me because I don't know why that plane is so um famous. And then also, guess what? Another KC-135 has been flying over over America. And this time it's in Wisconsin. It's this KC-135R model like we've been saying. And I don't know why it's flying over because there is nothing to refuel, so maybe it's just a training mission. And then also finally something. This is New Zealand's Air Force P-8 Poseidon. Mhm. The P-8 Poseidon, or yeah. And then there's this jet too. This 747 that people have been tracking a lot. It's Fly Pro Cargo. And then this A380. Also, because I'm going to check if there's any other airplanes that not been like checked on it. And Egypt. So what I'm going to do is kind of simple. I'm going to go to filters and see if there's any. Oh, this is the only rare plane in Africa, and it's this Brazil Air Force C-30, and then a 777. I don't know who owns this, but it's a 777. Doesn't have no call sign, and this is a C-17. Shit, the Czech Republic's version of Civil Air Patrol. I mm, mm, Italy's Guardi di Finanza, or like Air Guard or something like that. And the United States Army has a Black Hawk in Macedonia. No military planes over Ukraine. I don't think there's any planes in Ukraine at all, as you see here if I turn on the mini filter. You see, all the planes are still avoiding being shot down in Ukraine. The only plane near is this fly anything in Moldova. And over here, there's a jet from the MIRI Air Force. And there's a SAC heavy airlift wing. Hold on, I think this is SAC heavy airlift wing in Iraq. Oh my goodness. I never thought I'd see this many rare planes in my life. But let's check it out. So, starting off with a Chinook helicopter CH-47 Chinook. Tactical Hex, South Korea Air Force. What's a tactical hex? Tell me in the comments below. Then we have a South Korea Coast Guard, Korea Airspace KUH-1CG White Eagle. Oh, what? 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 Why is this labeled as an airliner or it's a helicopter? So it's either that this is pictured wrong or this and this is a helicopter. Another tactical hex plane. Another helicopter plane, I don't know because this is a White Eagle. And this is a White Eagle. So then that means one of it's either mispictured wrong or it is just a helicopter and it's put wrong. And yes, this is a KC-135T Stratotanker. And this is Japan's Self-Defense Force KC-46. And then this Leonardo AW1930. This KC-130 Super Hercules, or the tanker version of the C-130. And then this Beach UC-12F Huron. That does work. And then Japan's Ground Self-Defense Force. And then this U.S. Navy C-40 Clipper. This U.S. Marine Corps V-2 Osprey. This Kazawaki C2. Another Japan Air Self-Defense Force C-130. And another one. See you. Bye.